I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and Woocommerce expertise. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to change multi-product description at the same time. You can change the multi-product description by bulk editing the description or short description in the bulk form of a Woocommerce bulk product editing plugin. In this tutorial, we want to show you how to change multi-product description and short description at the same time through some examples. So our goal is to show the customers that, for example, all of our published products are on sale by adding off to their short description, and also we want to add their ID at the end of each description. So let's jump right into it. As we explained in how to filter products on WooCommerce bulk product editing plugin, we filtered published products from the filter form, and then we set a new preset named product description by adding description and short description to be displayed in the product table. We completely described the column preset and also column profile in another tutorial, which is available right now on our channel. By selecting this column profile, the product table including description and short description is displayed at the main page, and you're able to change the content related to each product by clicking on content in each column. You can see the description of the first product here, and you can refer to it later to see how it will actually change after the bulk edit. Now, in order to change the multi-product description we filtered before, you need to select your products and then click on bulk edit at the main page and open the bulk edits form, as you can see here. And then in the general tab of this form, both description and short description are available to be bulk edited. You can set the conditions of bulk editing from the drop-down list of the first box, including first append, your value will be added to the beginning of the description, then prepend, your value will be added to the end of the description, and then delete, in which the description of the filtered or selected products will be deleted, and then replace, in which some part of the description will be replaced by your preferred value, and then new, in which a new description will be replaced with all of the filtered or selected products. You also have access to some variable values in the drop-down list of the third box to set them as your preferred value and then add them to the description exactly according to the condition you selected from the first box. So these values are ID, SKU, menu order, parent ID, parent title, parent SKU, regular price, and sale price. In this tutorial, as we mentioned at the beginning, we're going to make two changes. First, we're going to append ID to the product description or change multi-product description of the filtered product by adding ID to the end. To do this, we're going to select append as our condition, and then we're going to select ID as our value for the description field. And here, just go ahead and click on yes, I'm sure. And the next change we're going to make is prepend off to the product description or add off to the beginning of the short description of filtered products. So go ahead and select prepend from the condition box, and then you're going to type off in the short description text box. And nothing more. Now you just gotta click on do bulk edits and see how the plugin can kind of magically change multi-product description and short description. If you want to get more familiar with the options for bulk editing product description in this plugin, we're gonna show you some other examples. For example, how can we set a new value for product description? We're gonna select title, SKU, and regular price, and 10% off. And that's going to be replaced by all of the product description. And you can see what will happen when you click on Do Bulk Edit here. Now we're gonna delete some part of product description, for example, title. So go ahead and select delete from the condition box, and then you're gonna choose title from the drop-down list of the variation box. And then go ahead and click on Do Bulk Edit. And now you can see what happened from the result. And there it is, the title has been deleted from the product description. Now let's replace some part of the product description. We're gonna replace SKU in the product description by title. So first we're going to set the conditions, and for replace SKU, some case title, and our product description will be something like this. Since the conditions related to the short description are exactly the same as description, you can do the same for bulk editing short descriptions of your products.